Direct replacement. This headlight switch knob is designed to match the fit and function of the original control knob on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This knob is made to fully restore appearance and functionality after the original part fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. 98 Mustang 3.8 fits. At first I thought it wasn't going to click into the control unit, but with a bit of wiggling and repositioning it clicked into place and stayed there. Working great. The knob and shaft are not made to come apart, so put everything back together and install this as the final step. Just be a little patient with it and hopefully it will work for you like it did for me.